What's going on, guys? Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports. We're here in our motorcycle dealership. Are you living in South Carolina? Are you a Gamecock? Are you been trying to get a motorcycle from a dealership but your credit hasn't allowed you? We're at Jaguar Power Sports to get you financing on a motorcycle as little as $0 down. That's right. We have financing companies we've been working with for many years that get you financed. Just this week, we got someone approved with a 465 credit score with only $500 down, and she got her dream Harley. No matter if you're looking for sports bikes, Harleys, cruisers, Can-Am Spyders, no matter what you're looking for, we can get you financed. We hope to earn your business, but if you have any questions, give us a call. Now, you might think to yourself, well, you're in South Carolina, I'm in Florida, that's a long drive. We will pay for your flight. If you come to Jacksonville, Florida, we will pay for your flight, or we can ship nationwide. We have companies that worldwide ship. No matter what your credit score is, we want you to click below now. If you haven't clicked yet, we want you to click below. 30 seconds of your time will get you pre-approved up to $50,000. We have Harleys at $0 down, sports bikes at $300 down. No matter what you're looking for, you'll see our sports bikes behind us, but we have over 75 motorcycles in stock. If you're located in South Carolina, we want to get you approved today. Click below, 30 seconds to the motorcycle of your dreams. No matter what your credit, we can get you rolling because we've been working with the lowest credit tier customers in the country for many years. It's our specialty, it's our niche, it's what we love to do. We love putting people on bikes that can't necessarily get them locally. If you've been told no at every other dealership and they haven't been able to get you approved, give us a chance. One last opportunity. By clicking below, we will get you financed on a motorcycle. We will pay for your airfare. We will ship to you if needed. But no matter what we have to do, let us know how we can earn your business. Visit our website, www.jaguarpowersports.com, or give us a call at 904-693-1663. What are you waiting for? Have you clicked below? If you haven't, give us a call and let's figure out why you haven't clicked below. We want to earn your business. But no matter what we have to do, we will get you on a bike of your dreams, no matter if it's a cruiser, sports bike, and no matter what your blemishes are, we can get you approved. If you're like me, you've had hiccups in the past. It happens. But now is the time to rebuild your credit. With our financing companies, not only will it rebuild your credit, but you get to ride at the same time. We hope to earn your business. If you have any questions, let us know. Drop a link below. If you have any questions, we'll talk to you on the other side. Have a good day, guys. My name is Sean Jackrell, Finance Manager here at Jaguar Power Sports in Jacksonville, Florida. Come and see us. We hope to earn your business. Bye.